she left the house with him at the same time.
So who stayed with her?
He told her that he was going to get something from the friend's house and he would come right back, but she had to go to work, so she left to work.
I know what I deserve. I know exactly what I deserve.
Can you stand up?
I'm just a single mom.
April 30th, 2025. Watch how a quiet evening turns critical. Two kids slip into a lake. Someone nearby reacts in a way no one expected, and their mother is left filled with regret.
Okay, the baby's up?
Yeah, baby's up.
4-3. The baby is crying. He's up. You went in the water for the baby?
I saved the kids, yeah.
Okay. Have you seen the parents or anything like that?
No, bro. I just was eating a hot dog on my dad's house.
Uh-huh.
I saw from over there that the kid wasn't playing. So I just ran out, threw my things, and went to the water. One of the kids...
There's no adults in there, man. The kids were left at home.
Yeah, there's no adults here. So yeah, they're saying the mom is at work. So what happened? You just went outside by yourself?
Hey, how do you call mom? You have a phone?
You don't know your mom's number?
You have your mom's number?
No!
Okay, relax. What about an auntie, somebody? You know how to call somebody?
No!
You don't know how to call anybody?
No. How old are you, sweetie? How old?
Who's normally home with you guys?
I'm 7.
Yeah,
Who's
your
home with you
sister
guys?
right there. How old is she?
Huh?
3.
How old are you? 8. And you're 7?
What's your mom's name?
You live right here on this?
No, I live on the corner.
Over on the corner?
Over the
It's
corner.
probably 12th place. Southeast.
Apartment.
Alright. And just run me through real quick what happened.
Okay, I was on my mom's house, and I saw the 3 kids playing on the water. But I realized one of the kids was drawing. I told my mom, "Oh, that kid is drawing." So I mean, I didn't think. I just ran it, throw my things, and one of the kids was on the corner. So I threw one of the kids out. The other one was drawing, but the other one was more drawing.
Yeah.
So I grabbed one that was drawing. I threw that kid, and I battered with the other one like it was, completely drying.
Okay.
The bigger one.
Yeah.
So but the thing is that at the edge, it's like a little.
It drops off.
Drop off heavily.
Yeah.
So they didn't give me time to put in swim position, stuff like that. So the kid begin to draw me. But I'm an adult, so I realized that I grabbed the kid like that, like a little bit, and then we go out,
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Basically, that was it, bro.
All right. Thank you for that. Okay.
Sure.
Appreciate it. You have the number for
I got
Laia?
305.
You're heading to work. Okay. And who's supposed to be home with the kids? Okay. So he left an 8-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a 3-year-old home by themselves, and all 3 almost drowned in the lake. Had it not been for a person that witnessed it and saved them. So I need you to return back to the house. Thank you. Thank you. You okay? Yeah. The guy said he was the last one he saved. He was already at the drop-off.
Yeah, he's in the water.
Yeah. They were all in the water. He said he grabbed her and him.
12th Road?
Yes.
12th Road, yeah.
Yeah, he grabbed, the little one was, he's 8 and 7. Here, this is all their info.
What's your first name? What's your first name?
Travon. T-R-A-V-O-N.
Okay.
T-R-A.
Oh, PR. Yeah.
V-O-N.
Just need your signature here that we're leaving the kid with you. That's it. For now, that's all it is. Yeah, thank you, fellas.
All right, have a good one.
Have a good one. So the he went in after her.
Yeah, he tried to get her. I think these 2 were the deepest. And then when he couldn't, he grabs her, he threw her back to shore, the guy, and goes after him because he was already on the drop. And then when he grabbed him, he started to pull him under. So then that's when he put him on the shoulder and started swinging back to try to get to the ledge. So that way he could grab on and pull himself back up. Yeah, great job. Thank God somebody was paying attention.
Exactly.
Imagine had he
He's talking
not.
about that plan, and
Yeah.
he was out there like barbecuing.
Yeah, he was talking. He was at his mom's house,
Yeah.
and he said, he was out there. He was watching them play, and then he realized that it wasn't playing anymore. Like their body language said that they were drowning.
Yeah, he should have been
So-
in the water anyway.
Yeah, exactly. So then he ran out and threw everything and just jumped into the water. He grabbed the first one that was right there in the water, tossed her off to the side. Then I'm guessing went after her and him.
There are 2 kids. There are 3 kids.
Yeah.
One toddler, that female toddler, and like me, the other guy,
Yeah.
the skinny one.
Yep.
So that one really drowning. That one.
Okay.
And the skinny girl, the toddler was drowning too. So I said the first one wasn't drowning at all because I pushed her
The baby.
on my way inside.
The little one.
The little, I don't quite remember.
Yeah,
But
One of them you pushed and
I push her outside. So I went to grab the toddler. I saved her, and the kid was already inside. So
Okay.
probably he suffered
So the
more.
toddler was the one deeper in the water.
No, the kid,
The taller girl.
the boy,
Yeah, he was the deepest.
they were the deepest.
And then the taller girl was the next, or was it the smaller girl?
was the smaller one? No.
The smaller one was the next.
Correctly.
The second one drowned.
Correctly.
Okay. So the bigger one was the one you pushed, more than likely.
Probably, yeah,
Okay.
more than likely.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Makes sense.
What made y'all go out there?
They made up the game even though I told them to make up the game. I said, what if you drown? And then they started
What game did they make up?
like don't touch the water. Then my brother pushed my little sister in the water. She had been in the water.
So you pushed her in the water? So what was the game? You made up a game with your little sister to go and test the water? And what happened? You said what? She drank some water and you were trying to save her.
No, she had ran where she started floating and I tried to save her.
Okay. So why would your sister say that you pushed her? Was that part of the game? So how did you get in the water?
I just tried to save them, but I couldn't because I got scared.
I know what I deserve. I know exactly what I deserve.
Can you
I'm
stand up?
just a single mom.
Okay. Can you stand up?
Yes, please. I am. Forgive me. Forgive me.
Okay. Stand up.
Please.
Stand up.
Forgive me. Please.
What time did you leave the house?
Around 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock. Where's your son?
He said he
Brandon?
was on his way home. Brian.
Brian.
Yes.
When did he say he was on his way home?
I was just talking to him before I left the house and he told me he was on his way home.
So he wasn't home when you left?
No, he told me that he went to get something. He said, okay, he told me that he was home before I leave the house.
Okay.
Then he would leave at the same time I leave. He told me that he's going to go to get something at his friend. I said, okay, well, are you going to come right back? He said, yes. Then I just left and go to work.
Okay. If you want, you could have a seat. I'm gonna take the keys though.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll just go have a seat in the car. Of who?
The one that's supposed to be here?
She left the house with him at the same time.
So who stayed with her?
He told her that he was going to get something from the friend's house and he would come right back, but she had to go to work, so she left to work.
Okay, so
They both left the house knowingly at the same time. She knew he was leaving. She gave him permission to go to his friend's house and grab something, and he was supposed to return.
How old is Steph?
18.
You have the injury?
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
I'm her sister.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, just stand by. Yeah, right now the detectives are on scene, so until they say something otherwise, then. Once they talk to each kid, then we'll let you be with that kid. It's just until we talk to them or they talk to them, then we gotta keep it like it is.
Okay.
How you doing, man? Brian? Alright. I'm just gonna ask you to stand by here. You can sit in your car. I just gotta take your keys from you though. Alright. But you gotta have a seat in your car. Alright? I got it. Gotcha.
No.
It's a key. Oh, you can just have a seat right there. Thank you, man. We're just keeping y'all separate so that way when the detectives talk to you, nobody talked to each other and came up with whatever they're gonna say. All right. So that's why we do this. All right.
I'm gonna talk to the son. She's definitely being detained. She's not allowed to talk to nobody. So I don't know if you want to have her here.
I'll bring it. I'll put her in my car.
Oh, what? I'm just gonna make one attempt to talk to him, and after that we'll.
I'm sorry?
I'm asking Amelia. She's okay? I don't see her coming out.
Yeah, she's okay. She didn't come out because she's so young. So for them to talk to her, it's. But yeah, she's good. Fire rescue checked her the most because she's the smallest, but she's good.
You know, in a way, I thank you guys. I thank God because you guys find them for me. Otherwise, it would have been worse. Whatever.
Well, it wasn't us.
Who are you two that over here?
That's my sister.
Okay.
I'm grateful. Whatever it is.
You okay letting your kids with your sister?
Of course.
Has she ever been arrested?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna need her ID.
And I'm grateful. I wish something worse could have happened. I wouldn't have been stay. So whatever it is, I have to go to jail. My kids is fine. As a single mom, you have to work. I cannot work daytime because I have to be home. Nighttime, it's hard. It's really hard. Everything happens for a reason.
Okay. Unfortunately, I'm gonna be arresting you for child neglect. I'm really sorry for that. Okay? You are a female. I can't search you. Do you have any weapons or anything before you
I don't have anything at all. My children's okay. I'm really okay.
You want me to do it in the front or you want me to do it in the back? So you transfer you.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. So we normally handcuff people in the back.
Okay.
I'll put it in the front. I'm just letting you know, please. You know, but I see that you're being respectful, so I respect that. But I'm just letting you know.
That's okay.
Okay?
You want your phone to stay with your
You can
sister?
give it to my sister. Everything to my sister. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, good process. I see that interested.
He'll explain all that to you. Just give him a second. He'll explain it all to you.
All right?
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
As long as you're all right. Thank you.
Be careful.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay. But my son, are they gonna stay with everybody? All the children gonna stay with my sisters?
With
My
your sister.
older son also?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on with your older son yet. I don't know if he's staying or I don't think they're gonna. Worst case scenario, they're not gonna leave him with the kids
No,
again.
of course not. But
So-
the kids can go with my sister, but he can stay
Yeah.
home by himself.
Yeah. He's an adult. Yeah,
Oh.
we have no say in that.
All right,
so,
no problem.
all right.
I'm good.
Go
Thank
put
you.
your feet in.
Thank you. No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome. Seatbelt.
Oh.
It's over here. I'm sorry. Out of my reach.
Everything happened for a reason. We're just gonna thank God for what it is. My kids okay. That's okay.
She was later charged with Child neglect, 2 counts. Culpable negligence. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.